Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the sum, average, and count formulas in Google Sheets. Using sum, average, and count formulas in Google Sheets is straightforward and will help you quickly analyze data. And through this video, I'm going to show you a guide to using these formulas effectively. So the first one, the sum formula, it will add up the values in a specified range of cells. So for example, I want to count the sum of this price in here. I'm going to write at the bottom. Okay, write sum and then just select the range, which is this one. Okay, now you can just hit on enter and you'll find out the sum within seconds. And next, average. So the average functions calculates the mean or average of a range of numbers. So here I'm going to find out the range of the second price. Then you can just write equal to average. Here it will automatically detect the data. You can just tap to accept the data, and now this is the average or the mean of these value. And the last one is count. So the count functions counts the number of numeric values in a range. Let's just write at the bottom in here equal to count and then just the range. Now the count is 12. So that's all for me. That's how you can use the sum, average, and also count functions in the Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.